I wanted to show everyone. These are my mom's floors. She lives in Grand Junction, Colorado, and unfortunately she lives on a farm. And she has a severe mud problem. To solve this problem, I made her look online and we found the Hoover Floormate to help vacuum the floor. She has Pergo floors and was concerned about the possibility of ruining the finish or the wood. We've used it once and I will now show you the before and after of the results. And this is after. Still a little wet in some places. I'm not the best vacuumer ever, but a lot less dog prints on the floor.